I'm going to announce a little change in the way I work or how I publish. For many years, pretty much 20 years, I've been publishing freely everything I write. Many videos I did in the early years. Now I'm just getting back into doing videos again. And, I must have at least 1,500 articles on my site. I'm still going to publish in the open two or three newsletters a week. But with my videos, we're going to start doing something different. Where, as you might have noticed, in just recently, my youngest son, who just joined our company, is starting to work with the videos and Substack. And we are really driving or trying to drive people to become paid subscribers of Substack. And one of the ways he devised to do that was to publish a video, and the second half was only for paid subscribers. It's been an old dream of mine to have a club or paid subscription to my work. It certainly makes things easier for me and less pressure, because we've been pretty successful on Substack. And so what I'm basically announcing, whether in the future he publishes half videos or I'm just going to be publishing videos or speaking in my videos to this audience. It will be a more intimate thing, probably going to be more relaxed, cover a more diverse range of subjects. My basic life principle that I work on in myself and believe in more than anything, it comes from my book Heart Health, where I define the heart as the vulnerability of being. And so in this group of paid subscribers, I intend to be more vulnerable or show or open more than ever before. But this message is to everybody, to people who've been with me for many years. Some people go back 20 years with me. So I'm just trying to let you know what direction I'm going in. And that finally, these past, I guess, 2 weeks, I've been doing videos, and I'm going to continue to do that.
Join me as a paid subscriber and go deeper with my work. Unlock exclusive videos and support truth-based medicine.